Do you know about KCGI event organized by BitGet? And do you know how to participate in this event? Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today we are going to talk about KCGI trading competition, so organized by BitGet. So we will talk how to sign up BitGet account, how you can simply register this BitGet account. After that, how you can simply participate in this KCGI competition. We are going to talk about all this matter, so you can simply read all these things. So join KCGI now. So KCGI is basically an event organized by BitGet. So here you can see like rewards for 1, 2, 3 levels, so everything is here. So there are terms and condition also. Please read these terms and condition very carefully, because so without terms and condition it's hard to just get in the competition. So let's get started, and I will move forward for the sign up section. So I have provided the referral link and referral code in the description box. Please check it out. So if you follow the referral link, so you can simply see this kinds of interface, and you will get a reward by clicking the referral link. And if you enter our referral code, then also you will get reward. So don't forget to use our referral link and referral code. If you follow the link, then referral code will be automatically appear in the home screen. So after that, so here you can simply sign up through email or mobile number. So please enter your email, password, and just agree the terms and condition. Not a big deal. So I cannot show my information, later on I'll do, but just you need to email. You need to just enter your email, password, and then agree the terms and condition. Not a big deal to create an account. So after creating the account, so you can see this kinds of interface over there. 2023 KCGI event. Okay, King's Cup Global Invitational, and this is the full form of KCGI, and this is a grand 2023 so event organized by BitGet. So here I will show you everything: spot trading, futures, copy trading, demo trading, and futures trading. So there are 4 competition in different dates, like for example, it start from 18 and it will end up to 9:30. so there are 4 events. So first of all, they have opened registration for spot trading. So now we are going to register for the spot trading. So how you can simply join or create the spot trading competition, how you can simply join as a participant. Okay, so here you can invite your friends also, and the prize pool is like for the spot trading, demo trading, copy trading, futures trading. Simply you can see, oh my goodness, it's like 2,650,000. Oh, this is a huge amount. Okay, so for the spot trading it's like $50,000 USD DT, and for the demo is 20, it's copy up to 80, and for the futures is up to 2 lakhs 5 okay, sorry, 100,000 doesn't lakh, yeah, 2,50,000. and Airbus H-13 helicopter. So this is for the an iPhone 15 Pro Max also they are giving. Okay, simply you can see like Tesla Cyber Quad and iPhone 15 Pro Max as a giveaway. So simply this is a very nice event organized by BitGet. Okay, so now you need to create a team. So please tap on spot trading, then after competition. So first of all, you need to either create a team or join a team. So if you have a team member or anything else, so if you have friend, then you can simply create a team. So you need to give your team name, like for example I can give like team anything else, so whatever name you prefer. So I have just give the name team mount, and for the team leader. If you are a team leader, then you can simply give your name. So then after, you need to upload the logo over there, so your logo of your team. So anything you can simply upload over here, like a logo. So you can simply create a logo and just upload it. So then after, you can simply submit. So for instance, if you have a team member, then you can simply create on, like there are two types of team, like public and private. So if you don't have team, then you can simply tap on public, and if you have a team, then you can simply go for the private. So if you want to just join any team, then you can simply join from here. There are 35 rows and 350 teams over there, so simply you can join them. So if you don't have team, then there is a public option also, so you can join from here. So that's not a big deal. So please select a good team and just enter over there. So here are the team list, and yeah, for this is for the spot trading. And for the copy trading, like it's around 8 days to go for the registration, and this is the time. After 8 days, you can simply register for the copy trading also. And as it is for the other trading also, like demo trading and futures trading, so as it is, so if I go for the next this demo trading, then it's like 12 days, 22 hours, 23 minutes and 26 seconds. Okay, so for the future trading also, it is like as it is same. So I have told you how you can simply register, how you can simply create a team, join a team, everything I have just teach you. So here are the important factor that every people miss. So please read this carefully, like for the registration requirements, so and for the public and private teams, price distribution, everything you need to read this very carefully before joining the competition. So here are the policies of BitGet. So please read this very carefully, so that you don't have you don't have to worry about anything else if you follow the terms and condition of BitGet. So registration requirements are here. So at least you need $100 on BitGet account. So if you have at least 100, then you can simply participate. Otherwise, you are not going to participate in BitGet KCGI competition. Okay, so here are the price distribution, winning requirement, everything they have shown and given to you. So I have teach you how you can simply register the BitGet account. So don't forget to use our referral link and referral code, which is in the description box. So I have teach you how you can simply create a team, how you can simply join a team, how to participate in KCGI account, KCGI in BitGet account. Okay, so if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there, and don't forget to join this event. If you want to join, then you feel free to join this event. So there is no forcefully we wanna just give you. So just if you want, then you can simply join. So till then, bye bye and take care.